This is a picture of the neocortex, a part of the brain responsible for sight and hearing. Typically, the larger the neocortex, the more complex an organism's social structure. Some scientists think that social intelligence comes from having a larger neocortex. In Science the magazine, a 2007 study on the evolution of human social cognition was published, saying that the social intelligence hypothesis for primates in general is supported by positive correlations between relative brain size, i.e. neocortex size, and social variables such as group size or grooming clique size. Also, according to Pascoe-Rakik, the neocortex is the newest evolutionary development in the brain.
Other animals have neocortexes, but they are typically not as large as primate neocortexes. In fact, scientists think that much of the larger size of primate brains stems from larger neocortexes. A Nature Reviews neuroscience article states that if any organ of our body should be substantially different from any other species, it is the cerebral neocortex, the center of extraordinary human cognitive abilities.
The same article says that the neocortex first appeared in small mammals descending from reptiles during the Triassic-Jurassic transition. The human neocortex split from the mouse line of ancestors between 90 and 100 million years ago. It split from Old World monkeys approximately 25 million years ago, according to Pascoe.
A more developed neocortex allows humans to have far more complex social cognition than other animals. The 2007 study from Science magazine also said that even though toddlers and monkeys have basically the same level of physical cognition and problem-solving abilities, humans have a much greater social cognition and are better at picking up social cues.
Because the human neocortex is so advanced, it has evolved to recognize more subtle social signals, such as signals in tone of voice or slight changes in body language that might show more advanced emotional states beyond simple anger or happiness. Evolution in the neocortex has prepared humans to deal with much more complex forms of social interaction, such as communicating over the internet or through texting.
The telephone, text, and social networks are extensions of that evolution. Tools such as social media help humans to interact in larger groups than found in other primate species. The Scientific America article stated that, to function effectively in the cultural world into which they are born, human children simply must learn to use these artifacts and tools and to participate in these practices, which require some special social cognitive skills of social learning and communication. Humans have evolved the ability to communicate in complicated ways in order to survive, and social media is a natural extension of this ability.